Hello and welcome to this tutorial for user-generated content on Layers of London. I'm Natalie from Humap, and today I'm going to show you how to create projects on the interactive map. Firstly, load up Layers of London on your web browser and click Explore the map. As you can see, the screen is divided between the map on the right and the information tray on the left. Click the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of the information tray to contribute. If you aren't logged in to your Layers of London account, you'll need to log in now. If you don't have a Layers of London account, you'll need to make one for free before you can begin contributing your own content. What kind of content would you like to contribute? You can create a record, which is an event, story, or a place on the map. You can create a collection, where you gather a set of records together in one place. Or you can create a project, which allows you to share ownership of content with other users. Today, we're making a project, so when you're ready, click New Project, and you will be taken to this intermediary page. Click Begin to continue. The first thing we need is a name and a description for your project. This will be public, so choose well and choose something that will help your project show up on the map. You can use the formatting options in the text toolbar to make your text stand out. At any point in this process, you can save a draft and exit, or delete your collection. You can also revisit previous pages to edit or check your work. Now it's time to add an image for your project. It will be shown at the top of your project page, and you can only pick one, so try and choose something eye-catching. To upload the image, click Browse Files, and then select the image you would like to upload. You can then press Enter on the keyboard, or you can click Open or Upload, depending on your computer. You can also select the file, and then drag and drop it into the upload box. If you change your mind, you can delete that image by pressing the yellow X button in the top right-hand corner of the image preview. On this page, you can add collaborators to the project by typing their email into the email address bar. You can add multiple people, and if you change your mind, you can click the yellow minus button to remove them from the project. Once your project is finished, email invites will be sent to the addresses you have listed. You can add more people to the published project when editing it, and people can also request to join the project, but they have to be approved by an existing project member before they can join. This page is mainly for institutions or groups that already have their own internal cataloging system for records. If you're adding content that is already tagged with a serial number or a phrase, you can add that in here. You can add several, and if you change your mind, you can delete them by clicking the yellow minus button. Now it's time to add records to your project. You can only add content that you yourself have contributed. Click the image of your record to add it to the project, and click again to deselect. You can also use the search bar to find the records you want to add, or you can click More Search options to look at pre-existing categories, such as location or topic. For more specific subcategories, click the downwards arrow and select the subtopic you wish to find records about. If you change your mind, click the tick box again to deselect. When you've added all of the records you want, click Next. Your project is now ready to be published. On this screen, you can delete the project, save a draft and exit, or go back and edit your work. This is how your finished project will look. From this screen, you can leave the project and see other project members. If they haven't accepted their invite yet, they will show up as pending. You can also unpublish or edit your work. You can share your project with the Layers of London community through the hashtags #LayersOfLondon and #Humap. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial for user-generated content on Layers of London.